is the foreclosure process?
Almost all of what we call foreclosures are actually private proceedings under the lien that secures your house. A court is not involved. In most states, the lender's sole remedy, if the lender elects this private process, is to take the house. You will face no additional liability, no additional legal foreclosure. A lender can elect to do what's called a judicial foreclosure. They very rarely do that, but you need to know it's a risk. So assuming that we're doing what's usual and it's a private power of sale, formal proceedings don't start until the lender records what's called a notice of default and election to sell. This is the way it works in most states. For 90 days, basically, nothing happens. After those 90 days, the lender has the right to publish a notice of sale. Most states, that's about 3 weeks or so that they have to publish a notice of sale, and they actually have to declare when the property will go to sale on the courthouse steps or some other location. A very significant right that borrowers in most states have is what's called the right of reinstatement. Up to some period, say 5 days, 5 business days, prior to the date of the published notice of trustees sale, a borrower may have the right to cure the loan. Not by paying off the whole loan, not by refinancing and getting all the money to satisfy the full loan, but simply by paying the installments that have been missed, plus some amount for costs that the lender has incurred in connection with pursuing that private sale. That's a significant right for a borrower. If the borrower doesn't do that, and if the borrower does not file bankruptcy before the sale, or the lender doesn't agree to postpone the sale, the property can go to sale at a trustee sale and auction, and at that point the property is lost. There are a lot of options to avoid going through that, and a lot of options for borrowers to work their way out of it, but that's what happens if it has to go all the way through.
This trouble tip was brought to you by the Zelmer Law Group, Business and Real Estate Law.
GotTrouble.com, your one-stop legal directory.